Hooter by an owl? Wait, actually that was the wrong question. Hey Bluebird, have you ever went to Hooters and got attacked by an owl that was there? Nope. But I got attacked. But Whitebird got attacked by a yellow bird. Whitebird got attacked by a yellow bird. Ask Bluebird. Okay, Bluebird addicts. Let's get started. Hey Bluebird, have you ever met a Hooter? No, but I went to Hooters. Yay! Hey Bluebird, you like kitties? Hey, I love kitties. Hey Ben. What? Okay, next question is from Blackbird. Okay, Bluebird, have you ever been excited about everything? Yeah, I've been excited at everything until my whole life. Yay! Okay, next question for Blackbird. I'm gonna do it. Okay, what time do you go to the bathroom, Bluebird? 12:13. Yay! 12:13. Okay. Next question. The next question is from me. Bluebird, have you ever got attacked by me? Nope. But you got attacked by a whitebird. What now? Wasn't that in the first episode? And you got attacked by 2 whitebirds. Okay, next question. It's Blackbird. No, we already did Blackbird twice. It's from Icebird. This next question. Give me a minute. It's my turn. Okay, Bluebird, did you ever met a kitty? You want to go get one right now? No, I never met a kitty before, but I met a kitty bear that looked like an owl. And this time it's going to attack you. Next question. Hey, Bluebird, did you ever met a pink frog with a lot of hearts on it? Yep. It's my buddy, Plant. The last question is from Greenie Gurno. Woo! Okay. Hey, Birdie Bananix. We are going to ask Bluebird something. Hey, Bluebird, have you ever met blue? I don't know what blue is. That's the color of me. Oh, whatever. From like Angry Birds Real. Oh yeah, I met him. He's a fun guy. Whatever. Bluebird, fly up to the rainbows. Yay! Let's fly up to the rainbows. Whee! Well, that goes with this episode of Ask Bluebird. Stay tuned to episode 3. This is the first time you met a kitty right now. Hey.